Asana versus ClickUp. Which is the better option? Which has the better features and which is priced better? Don't worry, folks, if you're having any of these questions, you're in the right place. I'm going to cover everything in a head-on-head review. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to look at is the user interface. Now, of course, this is one of the most important things because you're using this app to make your life easier and to make your work more streamlined. So on the left-hand side, you've got all of your menu items. So all of your projects are listed over here, all of your insights. You can go ahead into your inbox, you can check out your tasks, you can manage your team, and everything can be done from this menu over here. When you're going into create, you have the option to create tasks, projects, messages, and build portfolios. So going into a project, perhaps, you have the option of using a blank page or using a template or importing from a spreadsheet. Now, using a template is quite simple. All you need to do is select one of the templates you'd like to use. So let's say perhaps this one or this one, and say use template. You can give it a name, you can add it to a specific workspace, and then you can just say continue. You'll have to add in a couple details over here. And from here, you can now go and customize this template. Now, this is fantastic because if you're new to the software and you don't really have the time to build your own templates or your own project layouts, this is fantastic. You can see that initially it's been put into a calendar view, but you can have it in a dashboard view or a timeline view or any other view that is going to work better for the type of project that you're actually doing over here. So with the editing, you can literally just click down, move these items around. You can also click on them, they'll open up, and you can edit all the details. You can also manage the notifications on each one of these cards. So it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty cool to use. Asana also has an AI integration where you can search your entire profile and you can even generate ideas. We're going into apps, and we're going to say see all apps, and here you can see a bunch of apps that you can actually integrate into Asana so you can do everything in the same space. We also have some hacks over here. So these are like experimental features. So if you want to turn any of them on, you can turn them on and see if they work better for you. Having a look at ClickUp, which is slightly different in certain aspects. The layout is much the same. You've got your menu over on the left hand side, and from here you can manage everything that you are doing within your account. You have quite a few options here, such as goals, pulses, clips, whiteboards, dashboards, and documents. And one particular thing that I like here is whiteboards. Because I'm a visual thinker, I like to present things in a way that is just a little bit different. So when you're creating a new whiteboard, you can just give it a name. Once you're done with that, you can create it. And here you can choose from a template again. So you don't have to build the whiteboard yourself. Now, it may be a little bit challenging building a whiteboard on your own if you're new to the platform, you're new to the software. So you can go ahead and choose one of these templates. Now let's use this one just for example. We can zoom out here a little bit. You can edit and customize each one of the cards within this whiteboard. You can customize absolutely everything. You can also add tasks, documents, website links, Figma designs, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and also YouTube videos. Let's have a look at some of the pricing over here. Well, Asana starts at $11, but they also have that free starter pack, which will allow you to jump in and figure out if you want to use Asana or not. They also have a $25 plan with a couple more features. Having a look at ClickUp, they actually start their pricing at $7. So if you're comparing over here, they're a few dollars less. However, they do then offer a business plan at $12 and a business plus at $19. And they offer a fair amount of features as well. In my opinion, I do like Asana. It feels a little bit easier to use, and I think I will be using Asana in the future. If you have an opinion you want to drop down below, let us know, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.